Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can scrape unlimited leads from Apollo for free. We're going to use a free tool called Instant Data Scraper, which is a Chrome extension that makes lead scraping super easy. If you've watched my other videos, you probably already have this tool installed. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to use it to get those unlimited leads from Apollo. The best part, there's no need for coding or running any complicated programs. This is as beginner friendly as it gets. Now listen, this is a game changer for everyone watching, but let me tell you something, it's only for the action takers. If you've got your email infrastructure in place, get ready, because this is going to take your lead generation to the next level. If you're still just dreaming about leads, hey, no problem. Sit back, relax, and keep dreaming. But for those ready to dive in, this is your moment. It's time to make some moves and make this work for you. All right, so why would you want an Apollo.io scraper? Well, Apollo has about 300 million leads that you can use for your email marketing or cold calling campaigns. And they even have a free plan that gives you up to 10,000 email credits per account. Sounds pretty good, right? But here's the catch. You're only allowed to export 120 contacts per year unless you upgrade to a paid plan. And that's exactly where our little trick with Instant Data Scraper comes in. This is how we work around that limitation. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. First things first, create a free Apollo account using your work email. And I have to stress this, it can't be a Google or Yahoo account. It has to be a proper business email. Once you're signed in, head over to the search page and we're going to create a list of the people we want to scrape. And here's a bonus tip. If you're an Automate MailScale client and you've got around 30 email accounts, you can set up 30 free trial accounts by following my lead. Imagine the power of having 30 accounts working for you at once. This will give you a great head start and maximize your scraping potential. This is how you outpace the competition. Now let's jump in and show you what you can do. For example, let's say we want to target managers in the accounting industry with companies that have between 1 and 10 employees in the United States. After setting those filters, you'll want to save the contacts you find into a new list. Let's call it accountants. Keep adding contacts to the list until you have as many as possible. Apollo does limit you to viewing only the first 5 pages of search results, but don't worry, there's a workaround. Just keep refreshing the page and adding new contacts until you've got a big enough list. Once you've built your list, it's time to set up the table layout so we can scrape all the important information. This part is crucial, folks, because we need to make sure that all the data we want is visible for Instant Data Scraper to capture. Here's how you do it. First, go to the table layout option in Apollo. This is where you customize the columns you want to see. We're going to make sure we include columns like email, contact city, state, country, job title, and company name. If you want, you can add other columns like phone number or LinkedIn profile, whatever you need. After that, save this layout so it's ready for scraping every time you come back to Apollo. Now comes the fun part, scraping the data. If you haven't already installed Instant Data Scraper, just head over to the Chrome Web Store, search for Instant Data Scraper and add it to Chrome. It's free and installs in seconds. Once it's installed, make sure you pin it to your toolbar so you can easily access it whenever you need. Okay, now that you've got everything ready, let's get to scraping. Step 1, navigate to the Apollo list you created. Make sure it's in that table layout we customized earlier. Next, click on the Instant Data Scraper icon in your toolbar. It's going to automatically detect the table on the page and show you a preview of the data it can scrape. Pretty cool, right? Now you might need to tweak a few settings to make sure you're capturing everything you need. Look for the next button detection that tells the scraper how to navigate through all the pages in your Apollo list. Select the next button that Apollo uses and you're good to go. Also, set a delay between page scrapes. Somewhere between 3 to 5 seconds is usually good, so you don't trigger any security flags. Once that's done, hit start crawling and watch it work its magic. The scraper will start moving through the pages, capturing all the data from each one. Once Instant Data Scraper is done going through all the pages, it's time to download your data. Just click Download CSV. This will save all the data into a CSV file that you can open with Excel or Google Sheets. Make sure you take a quick look at the data, check all the columns we customized, and make sure it looks good. Now, one thing you'll notice is that Apollo only lets you view the first few pages of search results. Here's the trick. After you've saved the contacts from those first few pages, refresh the page. Apollo will often show you a different batch of contacts, so you can add even more to your list. Another trick is to change up your filters a little bit. Adjust the company size, location, or even keywords, and boom, you've got new leads to add. This is how you can keep building out those big lists without hitting Apollo's limits. Don't go too hard too fast. Apollo might temporarily ban your account if you're scraping too aggressively. Keep it under 2,000 contacts per session to be safe. Also, always verify the data after scraping. You're going to want to run your email list through a verification tool because there will be outdated or duplicate entries. And speaking of verification, I highly recommend Automate MailScale's email verification service. It's a one-off fee for the entire year and you get unlimited use. It's perfect if you're dealing with large lists, and it helps ensure your emails reach their destination, which is key for any successful campaign. All right, so you've got your leads. What now? Now it's time to put them to work. Import that CSV into your email marketing tool or CRM. And if you need a free CRM, check out the link in the description. I've got you covered. Start reaching out to your new leads and watch your business grow. But remember, you need the right email infrastructure in place to send these emails correctly. We're talking domain setup, warming up email addresses, managing deliverability. I've got a whole video on that, so be sure to check it out. Now, if you want some hands-on support with your lead generation system, I offer Zoom consultations at £149 per call. During these sessions, I can help you refine and plan your offer strategy, set up essential software tools, and walk you through their usage, just like what we covered today. Provide guidance on crafting effective copy, though I won't write the copy for you. You can book as many calls as you need, whether it's a one-time session or a more in-depth program. I'm here to make the process as affordable and accessible as possible. This way, you have the support needed to confidently build and optimize your lead generation system. See you on the next video.